So did MJ lose because of the gown? Of the gown?
Actually, I don't think so na it's because of the gown also. Kasi apparently, di ba, ang dami naman nilang candidates. So, maraming choices. But, it can be one of the reason. Di ba? Kung ako lang sana, given a choice, dapat hindi choice talaga, mandatory talaga, Filipino designer na lang talaga dapat ang gumawa. Kasi, I don't think that, hindi tayo, being Filipinos, as always, united as one, lahat ng designer are willing to collaborate kasi we're representing our own country, not an individual person lang. Buong bansa, nagkakaisa tayo dapat. Yun lang naman. And this is not a call na para awayin natin si Mrs. Stella Marquez Araneta. It's just that parang it's a high time for us na gamitin natin yung sariling atin. Kasi parang ako ang point ko lang kasi she's been using it for 20 years na. Ang dami nating magagaling na designer. Ano pa, internationally renowned designer pa. Yun lang naman yung aking opinion.
Okay.